Okay, out of the dark drawer comes pear seeds. Yay! Another test, you guys. I took seeds out of a store-bought pear that I like, and I wet it down on a paper towel and put it in a dark area, which I just came out of the drawer with it. And look, I have seeds. Look at this. Do you see those roots coming out? Look at that. Look at that. Do you see those roots sprouting out of those seeds? I need to hurry and put this in a pot. That's what I'm getting ready to do. Go and put these pear seeds that are sprouting up. Look at those. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if I can start me a pear tree. Hi, I'm Vicki and welcome back to Big Mama's Garden. Like I said earlier, I'm getting ready to plant me a pear tree. I went and got seeds out of a store-bought pear and I put it on a wet paper towel and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in a dark area. And for about 2 weeks, I already have roots coming out of the seeds. I have about 2 of them look like the roots have come out of the seeds. So I think it's time for me to put them in the dirt and see if I can grow me a pear tree. Okay, let's get started. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill some holes in the bottom of this pot that I got from Dollar Tree so we can have good drainage for our pear tree. I'm gonna use my soldering iron to drill these holes in with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do one more. 6. 6 holes that I put in there. I think that's going to give it some good drainage. Okay. Then next, we're going to fill up this pot with some of our potting soil. Fill it all the way up. Okay. I think that'll be enough to get started with. This is not going to be the final pot for that pear tree. Once it gets a little bigger, I'll be moving it to a bigger pot. This is just a starter pot. Okay? Then after I put the soil in there, I'm going to add a little perlite to the soil. Make sure it helps it with good drainage. And I'm going to also add some of the fruit and citrus bone meal by Joe that I like to use. help strengthen the roots of that pear tree. Then I'm also going to add some coffee grinds to it. I like to enrich the soil with coffee grinds. So after I'm going to mix all of this together, mix that all together good. See? Get that all mixed in good. Then I'm going to water this pot down before I put the seeds in it. Let me mix it up again a little more. Put that water in there. Okay, pat it down some. Get any air pockets out of it. They harm those roots from growing. Okay, see, got it all ready here. Okay, now we're gonna open up the pear seeds in this plastic bag and see up close how the roots really look. Okay, get it out of here. Let's see how they growing under here. Look at that. Ooh, look at that one. Y'all see that? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay, you guys, I needed to bring you closer in so you can see how big of a root is growing from this pear seed. Look at that. Yes, it's ready to get in the dirt. I see a few more here. It's opening up. I don't see the other ones. Like I have at least 1, 2, 3 that look like the roots are trying to come out from the seed. So I'm going to put all 3 of those in the dirt. This one for sure. Ooh, look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at that. And that's all from 2 weeks of growing it in a plastic bag on a wet paper towel in a dark drawer. And it has formed its own roots. And this pear seed is ready to go in the dirt. Look at that. So let's get started putting it in the dirt. I'm going to have to tear the paper towel off of the roots of this pear seed. It went between, started growing between the layers of the paper towel. You see it's coming from out the other side? So let me tear the paper towel off of it, and then I can put it in the dirt. Okay, I have my pot ready to put the seeds in. I'm going to put me some holes in the, I think I'm gonna go right in the middle where I'm gonna put that seed that has the big root on it. Then I put the other ones around the side. So I have 4 seeds in here, pear seeds that I'm gonna plant. Okay, so I have it off of the paper towel. Look at that, you guys. Look at that long roots on this pear seed. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the hole. And cover it up with some dirt. Get that root down in there. Get it down good. Then I'm gonna take these other ones that I saw the roots coming out of, and I'm gonna put them in the hole. Put them in the hole. And cover them up. Okay, let's see, one more. Cover it up. Okay. One more here. If I can get it off the paper towel. And I'm going to put it over in this hole. And cover them all up. And I think I may just take a few more of the seeds that I didn't see any roots coming out of it yet. I'm just going to put them in the pot as well. And see if any of them are going to sprout out. Just put all of them in here in the dirt. I think I'm putting about maybe 10 seeds in here. Now I'm going to water them all down. Water those seeds over again in the dirt. Okay. Now we have them all watered in and patted down. Okay, I have the pear seeds all watered down in the pot with the dirt. And now we just have to wait and see how the pear tree is gonna grow. I will come back later with updates on how it's growing. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time on Big Mama's Garden. If you hadn't hit that subscribe and like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.